The bottles are quite massive. Think about I am heading to Liberty, London to look at the homeware section, and I'm excited because I've been here quite a few times and I can't wait to see what new collections they have. They typically have like a lot of florals, patterns and prints, so I want to do that. Few years, but you guys used to have like this section that just had rugs and rugs and rugs.
That will be inside of the other room.
So that way?
Yeah, from that room there's a room there inside.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Anytime.
Thank you.
Thank you, darling.
No problem. Yeah, thank you. And I'm in the homeware section. Oh yeah, I wrote someone's name. Hi, Betty. Thanks for your help. So Betty is lovely. She was quite nice. On the home floor, you can ask for her. She really, showed me a few places and places I'd been before and I couldn't remember where they were. Check out the area with the rugs. Quite lovely in there. Very memorable. They have some nice Persian rugs there. They also have some antiques as well. So you should have a look. And now I'm just looking at some pillows and beddings as well. They have some nice candles I haven't seen and fragrances from some new brands. I saw one Commune as well, and that was quite striking. It was quite nice. And I saw some other ones I'm going to show you guys as well. But I hope you enjoy the video when you watch the rest of it, and I'll see you soon. think it's the lang. Get that one. The chamomile one. It's good. I tend to like anything lang. It's spelled with a YLANG. It's always very nice. I don't know why. And if you like this video, please subscribe and share, and also have a look at some of our other videos on Ceramist.